Hi, my name is Obi Cubana.
Let's talk about how one man took just an ordinary Keke business from one level to even billionaire business level. That he was able to even get Obi Cubana in the business, and right now the business is now billions and billions of money. So it was last year the Enviable Hire Purchase Management entered a business deal with Obi Cubana, and together they have turned this very business into a billionaire business. Like I said before, the interesting thing about this business is the business model that they created for it. As of last year, you could get one of the Keke for 3.5 million naira and just walk away with it. But if you decide to keep it with them, that is investing the money with them, they are the people who will now maintain and manage the Keke for you. They will get the Keke driver, and after some certain weeks, couple of weeks, they will now pay you back 5.5 million naira. A good deal, right? It is a whooping profit of 2 million naira extra. I mean, you invested 3.5 million naira and you now got 5.5 million naira, which you now have 2 million naira as a profit. In this kind of economy, it has moved from just an ordinary business to now a billionaire business, because the moment you can be able to keep doing this kind of business and reinvesting the money, who knows, you will hit billions very soon. But here is the twist: they have taken it to another level this year. They now sell one Keke instead of 3.5 million naira, which it was last year. You will now get it for 4 million naira. But the business model still is the same thing, in such a way that if you want to walk away with the Keke, fine. But if you want them to maintain it for you and manage it for you, you will not pay them extra 1 million naira on top of it. These people mean business, so honestly. Now, those people who missed it last year or who did not jump on it last year might be regretting it this year, because but anyway, it is now another, because if you did not get it this year, for instance, that it is 4 million, who knows what will happen by next year. So the people who wants to get it this year might be lucky to get it for 4 million naira, because you never can tell what will happen by next year. So this time around, if you pay them 4 million naira for the Keke, an extra 1 million naira for them to manage it, after 78 weeks, you can now come back and collect your 7.5 million. Wow, that's huge, guys. And for some of you who do not have the background story of the boy called Enviable, I mean, he has become man now, but years ago when he was riding Keke in Abia State, he was a boy. Now, this boy Enviable rose from just being a Keke driver to owning his own Keke business, where he's now playing with the big boys, with the billionaires. He has entered the billionaire circle. This is one unique thing and beautiful thing I like about our people, Igbo people. They're very industrious and business oriented. So what started in Umuahia has expanded to Aba, Abuja, Lagos, and other places. Now, apart from just selling Keke and managing Keke, he has also added Enviable engine oil, Enviable logistics, and other things. I think that with Obi Cubana, who is already a billionaire in this very business, it is going to grow into becoming one of the best businesses in West Africa, because they are not just selling Keke, they are creating jobs, creating investment opportunities, and even helping churches. Kai, this is massive. Is it not? Let me know in the comment section, guys.
So this scheme is known as the Enviable Hire Purchase Management. Okay, very simple, seamless, and the best. We do what we say and we say what we can do.